All right, let's get started with Wix ADI. Once you click on the link provided, click on Start Now, and you're going to go ahead and create your account. Just put in your email a couple of times, make up a password, and click on Sign Up. And you can also sign up with your Facebook or Google Plus account. All right, now you're going to select what kind of website you want to create. So I'm going to say business. And then you have two choices. You can create your website with the Wix editor, or over here on the left, you can create your website with Wix ADI. So that's what we're going to do. Click on the blue button. Start with Wix ADI. Go ahead and type in what kind of business that you want, and I'm going to say a hair salon. That looks pretty good, and we'll select hair salon. Does your website need any of the following features? And remember when we talked about the call to action. And so if I were going to choose between these four things, I really for now just want them to book appointments with me. So I'll check the box that says take bookings and appointments. Hit next. What is the name of your website or business? So I will just make up a name and say Curly Sue's Hair Salon. Sounds good to me. Hit next. Where's your business located? So I'll just make up an address here, and we'll just say 12345 Beach Boulevard. Hit next. Wix ADI wants to learn about you. Now this is powerful because what Wix is going to do is go out into the internet and find anything about your business that's already out there, and that's what it will use to start building your website. Now look at this. It actually found a Curly Sue's in Visalia, California. I never even knew there was a Curly Sue's there. I just made up a name, but Wix actually found a business with the same name. I'm going to go ahead and just say that's me. I won't be publishing this at all to Google, so it's fine. Just say that this is me. And look, it already has my Facebook profile, my address, and phone number because it found them on the internet. It even found my logo. So I could replace that logo, but let's go ahead and just keep the one that's there, and you can update this information and add more social networks if you want to. And I'll hit next. Loading the future. I love it. Hello, I'm ADI, Wix's artificial design intelligence. Okay, it's going to create billions of combinations of text and images and more. So it's going to be a unique website. This is not just a template that it's going to fill in. It'll literally look at what type of business that you said you had, and it will now start working on the design aspect. So hit start. Click on what taste you want, and I'm going to say bouquet. I want it to be kind of a feminine, womanly hair salon, so I'll use the pink and gray. Bouquet, and I'll say continue. Would you like me to create a color palette from your logo? That sounds great. Create palette. And look at this. It magically creates a color palette from your logo, doing the work that a professional web designer would be doing. Use these colors. Now I'm going to create your home page. Go ahead and click on create my home page. And here we go. Step 1 of 7. Adding the welcome screen, adding the hours, services, the quotes, contacts, and finishing touches. And look at this. Presto changeo. We have Curly Sue's Hair Salon. It says, welcome to Curly Sue's. It has the hours of operation, styling, cutting, and coloring. It even has the copy built in. It even has the word Visalia in there. So obviously you can change things to your business, but a lot of the wording might even be there for you. And then it picked out some stock images of some hair salon beauty pictures. What we think we become, Buddha. So that was a random quote threw in there. And then it's got a map with the contact page and the Facebook link. Now, if you put in that information correctly, all of this will be set up already. It has your address, phone number down below. And the other cool thing is if you look at the top, you can actually, let's preview this site. So here's the website here. It's got, I know this video background. Of course, you can customize and change all of these things. And what's interesting is if you click on book online, it already has it set up. So you just name whatever your service is. You could pick 3 different services and your pricing. And then they will click on book it. And they actually can go in here and select a time. All of these things are adjustable. But my point is, with artificial design, the structure of your website is finished. And I think it looks very modern. It doesn't look like an old website. You are ready to go. So what you would do from here is go into further customizations. I'm going to click on mobile preview. So there's the mobile preview. You'll see that the website is already formatted for mobile. If I scroll down, all the information's there. Now I might need to move some things around, but that's no problem. So what you would do at this point is continue the optimizations. And I go down here, I click the play button, and it says what next. So we will just continue the process. We would change maybe the design. We can mess with the colors, the fonts. It's going to walk you through step by step until you get this website to the way you want it. So it's been less than 10 minutes and we've already created a website from scratch with Wix Artificial Design Intelligence.